Good morning. I'm out here in nature and I decided instead of doing my regular Wednesday meet me on the mat, I thought meet me in nature. So I'm out in the morning and it's beautiful and the sky is blue, and that's something to celebrate. We have an upcoming Libra new moon on the 28th of September at 5 degrees Libra. So join me for a balancing yogic experience. Namaste. So inhale, lift the arms, touch the palms, exhale towards the right. Inhale, reach up, release the hands, look towards the sky. Exhale, hands to the heart center. Inhale, reach back up. Touch the palms, reach towards the sky, exhale towards the left. Inhale, reach up, release the palms, exhale, hands to the heart center. Inhale, reach back up to the right. Inhale, reach. Exhale, hands to the heart. Inhale, reach. Exhale, hands to the heart. Inhale, reach. Exhale towards the left. Inhale, reach. Exhale, hands to the heart. Inhale, reach. Exhale towards the right. Inhale, reach. Exhale, hands to the heart. Inhale, reach. Exhale, hands to the heart. Inhale, reach. Exhale towards the left. Inhale, reach up towards the sky. Exhale, this time fold forward. Hands towards the shins or the knees. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, take the hands behind you and interlace the fingers all the way to the webbing. And just fold over, hands over the head. Bend the knees if you need to. Drop your head, shake it out. Keep the knees bent as you reach your hands up. Utkatasana. Exhale, right hand comes down towards the side. Keep that Utkatasana. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, opposite side. Utkatasana still. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, hands to the heart center. You're going to lift up your right knee. Take that right ankle across the knee. Just touch your elbows towards the inside of that shin. Keep that left knee bent. Reach up. Utkatasana, hands at the heart center. This time straighten the legs. So hands to the heart center. Bend the knees again. Inhale, reach the arms. Side body stretch. Knees are bent. Inhale, reach up. Opposite side. Inhale, reach. Up to hands to the heart center. This time lift up your left knee. Knee, ankle across the knee so you can touch the inside of your shin. Keep that right knee bent. Foot down. Reach back up straight to the legs. Exhale, this time fold straight over. Hands towards the ground if you can. Inhale, halfway lift. You're going to step with your left foot all the way back. Bring the knee down towards the ground and reach the hands up. Exhale, hands to the heart center. Bring the fingertips down. Lift up the back knee and lift up the back leg. Nice little stretch. Head towards the knee. Standing splits. Bring that left knee leg back. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold and press into your feet. Reach back up. Hands to the heart center. Breathe. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more deep breaths. Inhale. Exhale. 1 more deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Reach the hands back up towards the sky. Exhale. Folding forward. Hands towards the mat. Inhale, halfway lift. This time the right foot goes back. Knee towards the ground softly. Inhale, reach the arms back up. Exhale, hands right in front of the front foot. Lift up the back knee. Step into the front foot, lifting the back leg. Standing splits. Drop that right leg. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold and press into the soles of the feet. Reach back up. Hands to the heart center. Close your eyes. Your eyes closed, if you can lift up your right knee and balance. Maybe look down towards the ground and look to the point of your nose. Maybe bring that ankle across the knee. Just stand. Just breathe. Lift up the right knee again. Exhale, foot towards the earth. Inhale, reach back towards the sky. Exhale, fold and head towards the knees. Soft bend in the knees. Inhale, halfway lift. A deeper bend forward. Inhale, reach back up. Exhale, hands to the heart center. Close your eyes. Find your right foot rooting down. Lift your left knee up. If the eyes are closed, keep the eyes closed. Look to the point of your nose. Take that knee, bend it and bring the ankle across that right knee. Maybe you bend a little in your standing leg. Pull that left knee back up as high as you can. Reach the foot down, reach the hands towards the sky. Exhale, fold forward, head towards the knees. Bend the knees generously and slowly roll up. Vertebra by vertebra as the head rolls up, hands float towards the sky. Palms touch, exhale, hands to the heart center. Reach back as you inhale. Exhale, side body stretch. Inhale, reach back up. Big breath, exhale, opposite side. Inhale, reach back up. Exhale, hands to the heart center. Let's take the hands again behind the spine. Interlace the fingers all the way to the belly. All the knuckles back onto your chair. Fold forward. You can bend your knees on the way down. Stretch the arms over your head. Bend the knees. Release the hands towards the sky. Utkatasana. Exhale, hands to the heart center. And take left elbow, right knee, right twist. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale, twist. Take the chin away from the chest. Inhale, reach back up. Oops, falling over. Exhale, bend the knees, hands to the heart center, opposite side. Right twist. One more deep breath, chin away from the chest. Inhale, straighten the legs. Exhale, hands to the heart center. Take a deep breath in. Exhale out through the mouth with a blowing the candle out breath. Deep breath in through the nose. Blow out through the mouth. One more deep breath in through the nose. Blow the candle out. And so from my heart to yours, may you always be blessed. And if you find this online, please subscribe below. And also visit me on Patreon at liveanilluminatedlife.com and or visit me at belindapearl.com. And again, this is Belinda Pearl.